Good day everyone. I am Jessa Ganan from BSCP 31 and I am here to discuss or answer the following questions have asked in the video from the subject Introduction to Hardware Description, a Language. The first question is what the topic is all about. So from the video, the topic focuses on computer engineering and its significant impact on Singapore's technological progress and national development. Computer engineering has played a vital or a major role in shaping Singapore's into a highly advanced, future-ready nation by fostering innovations, strengthening the digital economy, and improving the efficiency of various sectors. Singapore's rapid technological growth is driven by advancements such as the smart sensors, the robotics, the artificial intelligence, which known as an AI, the automations, and the high performance computer networks. These innovations supports the country's push toward becoming a global smart city. Because of these technologies, business operations become faster and more efficient. Foreign investors are encouraged to invest, and new high-skill job opportunities are created for helping sustaining the long-term economic growth. And another important factors in Singapore's success is its education systems, which places a strong emphasis on hands-on learning, research, and technological literacy. Students in engineering and technology fields encouraged to explore real-world problems, design prototypes, develop solutions that benefit society, and also this learning approach um, to help produce highly skilled professionals capable of contributing to innovations and national development. Overall, computer engineering plays a vital role in strengthening Singapore's digital economy, enhancing critical sectors of society, and developing a workforce that is equipped with advanced technical skills. Through continuous innovations in technology, Singapore remains one of the world's most dynamic and forward-thinking nations. The next question is, what is the future of computer engineers in global stage? The future of computer engineers on the global stage is becoming increasingly important as technology continues to evolve at a rapid pace. While while automations, artificial intelligence, and robotics will replace certain repetitive and routine tasks, they will not eliminate the need for human professionals. Instead, the role of computer engineers will expand into more advanced, creative, and strategic areas. Although machines can perform for fast calculations and follow program instructions, they still lack human qualities like such as critical thinking, innovation, ethical judgment, creativity, and the most important is the complex decision making. These are essentials in designing, improving, and supervising emerging technologies. Even the most advanced automated systems require humans' oversight for planning, maintenance, troubleshooting, and responding to unexpected challenges. So in the future, global industries will continue to depend heavily on computer engineers to develop new technologies such as the artificial intelligence and machine learning systems, cybersecurity solution which is against increasingly sophisticated threats, robotics and automation to manufacture and service industries, the smart infrastructure and Internet of Things, for the smart cities and the cloud computing and advanced network technologies. Because of these growing demands, computer engineers will become even more valuable in shaping the digital landscape of the world. However, to stay competitive, individuals must continuously upgrade their skills, learning new programming languages, understanding new tools, and adapting to the fast changing technology environment. So in global industries, the future computer engineer will not only build systems but also collaborate with AI, innovate new digital solutions, and provide human insight that machines cannot replicate. By embracing lifelong learning and developing both technical and soft skills, computer engineers will play a crucial role in driving global progress, and ensuring that technology serve society in intelligent and ethical ways. That's it. And for the third questions, how do you see yourself in the field of computer engineering? For me, I see myself building a strong future in the field of computer engineering, especially as a network engineer. Because during my OJT, I became inspired by my supervisor. Why? Because seeing how network systems are managed, how they secured it and maintained it motivated me even more. So I realized that this field requires both technical knowledge and problem solving skills, and it's something I genuinely want to pursue. So in the future, I envision myself designing, managing, and troubleshooting a network infrastructure that support the smooth operation of organizations. I also want to develop the skills needed to ensure stable, efficient, and secure connections. So whether in businesses, in schools, or large companies. So by continuously learning and improving, I hope to become a more reliable network engineer who contributes to building stronger and smarter technological systems for our society. And that's it. And the next question is, what are do you want to pursue in the future? So, from what I've said in number 3, I think I already answered this question. But here, so what area do you want to pursue in the future? So, in the future, I want to pursue a career in network engineering. This field interests me because during my OJT, again, I saw firsthand how network systems operate and how important they are in keeping organizations connected and secure. Watching my supervisor manage and troubleshoot complex networks inspired me to follow the same path. So I want to develop strong skills in network setup, configuration, security, and maintenance, so I can contribute to building a reliable and efficient network infrastructure in the industry. And last one, what are your key takeaways on the future of jobs? So, um, my key takeaways on the future of jobs highlight on how rapidly the workplace is changing because of technology, automation, and the digital transformation. So, while many routine and repetitive tasks may be replaced by machines, there is still a strong need for human skills. So, especially the creativity, the critical thinking, the problem solving, communication, and the decision making. So, jobs of the future will not simply disappear, they will just evolve, and workers must adapt by continuously learning new tools and technologies. And also, I realized that the careers related to STEM, especially computer engineering, robotics, AI, and cybersecurity, will become even more in demand. However, um, Technical skills alone are not enough. Soft skills, adaptability, and a willingness to grow are just as important to stay competitive in a fast changing world. So, overall, the future job shows that people who embrace lifelong learning stay flexible and work alongside technology, not against it. It will have better opportunities and greater success in the years ahead. And lastly, my grandparents always used to tell me that I should focus on the field I truly want and keep developing the skills needed for that path. So even though they are gone now, their advices has stayed in my heart. They reminded me always that by choosing a direction I am passionate with about and working hard to grow it in that area, I can stay motivated, relevant, and competitive in a world that continues to evolve with new technologies. So, their words continue to guide me as I build my future. And that's all. Thank you.